Good morning, everyone. Myself, Rajeshri Patil, Department of Computer Science, Government First Grade College, Bidar. Today, I am going to deliver a lecture on overview of data structure. So here in the overview of data structure, first let us we know what actually means by this data structure. Data structure is a specialized format of organizing, processing, retrieving, and storing the data. Means actually this data structure will study how the data are organized in the memory and how actually they will process and how can be easily access from the memory and how actually they will be stored in the memory. About these to study we are using what you will call as data structure. So in computer science several data structures are known depending upon the area of applications. Means based on the applications there are several types of data structures are available in computer science. These data structures are commonly sometimes we will known as fundamental data structures or classics data structure. Once again, this data structures are classified into basically two types. One is a linear data structure, another one is a non-linear data structure. In linear data structures, further we are bifurcating into four types. One is arrays, a linked list, stacks, and queues. Whereas non-linear data structures once again classified into four types. One is trees, graphs, tables, and sets. Now we study about what means by linear data structure and then non-linear data structure. So what means by actually linear data structure? A data is arranged in a linear fashion in which elements are linked one after the another. Means they are arranged in a sequential manner. One data will be related to the another data. Means one data will be linked to the another data. They will be arranged in a sequential manner one after the another. So such data items or data elements are called as linear data elements. Whereas non-linear data structure, in a non-linear data structure in which data item is connected to several other data items, means they are not connected to one after the another elements. Means they, in a linear data structure one element will be connected to the only one, whereas in non-linear data structure they are connected to one data item will be connected to the several data items, and they are not stored in a sequential manner. They will be stored in a hierarchical fashion. So these data items are not arranged in a sequential structure. So that's why they are called as an non-linear data structure. Means they are not stored in a sequential manner. Next we'll study about the linear and non-linear data structure. Array means what? So in the linear, this array will be comes under the linear data structure. Array is a collection of data items having a similar data types. Means array is also nothing but a collection of certain data items, those data items of similar types. It can hold only the elements of same type, or else we can say as a homogeneous data types. Means same type means either it can hold integer type, or it can hold float or character or digit, means strings. Means same types it can hold. Okay, homogeneous data types we can say. Next comes linked list. Linked list is a collection of nodes where each node has a data elements and a reference to the next node in the sequence. Means this linked list is nothing but a collection of nodes. It consists of a collection of nodes and each node having a two field. One field is called as a data field, another field is called as a link field. Data field is nothing but it consists of an data item or a value we can say, whereas reference field or else a link field we can say as a, it consists of an address of a next node. Okay, so this linked list in difference between the array and linked list is that in array we can store homogeneous, here also we can store homogeneous. The difference is that both will be stored in a sequential manner, but in array well in advance we have to provide the size. It is a what you will call as a static representation, and whereas this linked list is a dynamic representation. Means whenever we require to insert element, you can insert at any time, means we can vary the size, but whereas in array you cannot vary the size. So that's why array is called as a static data type, whereas linked list is a dynamic data type. Okay, next comes a stack is also a linear data structure. Stack is a LIFO in the sense last in first out data structure, where the element is added first will be deleted last. Whichever the element you are inserting first, no, that one you can insert later. So we can take an example as your idli set is there, no, idli plate sets. When you are preparing a idli, no, that idli stand will be there, no, the top will be, whichever the first plate you are inserting, you cannot remove first, you can remove that plate lastly. Whichever the plate you are inserting last, no, that you can remove first. So that's why this data structure is called as LIFO data structure, last in first out. Whichever the element you are inserting last, that you can remove first, and means it will follow the LIFO data structure. And the next comes your queue is also a non-linear linear data structure. A queue is a P4, that is, this is called as a P4 data structure, that is first in first out. Means whichever the data will be inserted at the queue first, that will be deleted, means it will comes out first. Where the element will be added first will be deleted first, means whichever comes first in a queue, that will be deleted first. You can take an example for this queue as a, you can take as a, when you are going for a ration shop to buy a ration, at that time the first person will be served first and the last person will be served last. Means first person served, then he will be go out of the queue. Same thing. Or when you are going for the cinema theater to get a ticket, at the ticket counter, the first person first comes first out, means he will serve first, which whoever in the queue will be first, he will be served first. The same concept will be adopted in a queue data structure. Tree is a collection of nodes where these nodes are arranged hierarchically and from parent child relationships. Means here we will arrange the element in a hierarchical manner means it will adopt the parent child relationships. Means like our parent will be there, the grandparent, parent, and then children. For a grandparent there are number of childrens we have, and for their childrens they have a number of grandchildrens, like that. It will be arranged in a hierarchical manner. There is a root node will be there, for that there is a child, sub-child, like that. It will be bifurcating, means it will be arranged in a hierarchical manner, we can say. And the next comes a graph. A graph is a collection of finite number of vertices and edges. You can take an example as like you can take a line, a rectangle, or a square. It consists of number of vertices and as well as edges. Vertices are nothing but we'll call it as a points. Edges means it will connect those vertices, means those points will be connected, no, that line is called edges and the points are called as edges. Edges connect the vertices and connect these vertices. Okay, and whatever the topic up till now I had explained on that, certain self-assessment questions we have to have here. Here, which of the four data structure is a linear data structure? You know, already I had explained about this: graph, tree, binary tree, and stack. First three all are nothing but a non-linear data structure, whereas stack is a linear data structure. Second one is, which of the following structure cannot be stored the homogeneous data element? Array, a stack, records, and none of this. So this above cannot store the homogeneous non-homogeneous, means array can store only a homogeneous data elements. Non-homogeneous array cannot be stored non-homogeneous. So array is an correct answer. Which of the following structure is a non-linear data types? You know that array, stack, queues are linear data types, whereas graph is a non-linear data type. The stack is a dash type of data structure. Now itself I had explained that in a stack, last in first out. So it is a LIFO types of data structure. So if anybody have any questions, you can raise a question. Thank you one and all.